So coming into CES 2018, I wasn't exactly sure what Huawei would bring to the table. We've seen the Mate 10 Pro, but I didn't expect them to announce the Mate 10 Pro Porsche Design. Now we know Huawei has worked with Porsche Design in the past, and bringing that to the Mate 10 Pro and also availability here in the US is really, really interesting and very, very cool. Now, the Mate 10 Pro Porsche Design is a very slick device. You can see the design elements that Porsche brings to the table with this device. Of course, you do have the dual Leica cameras at the back as well, and you've got that lovely display in front. Now, there is no headphone jack, so it's a bit bummer for me, as always, but you've got Bluetooth 5.0, and you've also got aptX HD built into this device. Now, the other thing that also sets this device apart is the fact that it's got 6 gigs of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage. So that's something different with the Huawei Mate 10 Pro Porsche Design. Now, how does it differ with the regular Mate 10 Pro? You can take a look at it side by side. You can see some of the design accents and differences, logo placements, those kind of things that make it feel more like a Porsche design and the difference from the Mate 10 Pro regularly. But as I said, both devices are coming to the US. Huawei came to this CES with a strong presence of saying, hey, look, we're committed to the US market. And I'm actually happy to see them do that. It's always good to see a new player, or at least a player with a strong presence, bring that here. So the Mate 10 Pro and the Mate 10 Pro Porsche Design will be available here in the US, with the Mate 10 Pro going on pre-order on February 14th and sale on February 17th. Priced at $799, and if you do the pre-order, you get a $150 gift card at any of the pre-order sites. So if it's Amazon, Best Buy, B&H Photo, Newegg, so there's a lot of places you can actually pick up the device. And the Mate 10 Pro Porsche Design will go on sale on the 17th for $1,000. So I think Huawei is bringing a lot of things to the table. It's interesting to see that. Oh, another thing also is their spokes ambassador is Gal Gadot, Wonder Woman, which is absolutely fantastic, at least for me anyway. You guys know I'm a big comic book fan. I had to throw that in there. So it was good to see her at the press conference and also see that she's part of the Huawei team. Surprisingly, she actually used a I can't remember if it's a P5 or P6 or P device to actually record her own birth. So that's actually just a little nugget to throw in. But anyway, guys, there you have it. If you have any questions or any comments about the Mate 10 Pro or the Mate 10 Pro Porsche Design, which is new, it's gonna be hitting the market here in the US, let me know. Otherwise, don't forget to like and share this video, favorite this video, subscribe to the channel, and always enjoy your entertainment.